Okay, so this is how you buy and sell options on Webull. It's super simple. I'll show you both on mobile and on desktop. It's basically the same thing. And also I'll show you how to paper trade, which if you don't know what that is, it's basically just trading, but with fake money. Okay, so to buy and sell options, of course, you have to have a brokerage account. So for example, I have Webull. It's the best one in my opinion. The link is down below in the description. If you sign up with a link, you get free stocks or something. But this is how you buy and sell them. You simply look up any stock. Usually I trade SPY or QQQ. So let's look up SPY, right click on it, and then it says options right here, right? So you click on that and all of this shows up. So to buy and sell them is really simple. So here, the SPY is currently trading at $424 per share, right? But you're not actually putting that much money into that option. The option is way cheaper than the actual stock. So that's why we trade options, right? Because they're cheaper and they even move quicker. So for example, if SPY moves up 1%, your call option will move way more, for example like 50%. So that brings us even more profits. So on the left side we have the calls, and on the right side we have the puts. And the difference is that with the calls, you're betting that a stock is gonna go up, and a puts is basically a bet that is gonna go down. So yes, when the stock drops, you can also make money. You can literally make money either way it moves. Even if the stocks go down, you can still make money. So here, let's say we want to buy the 424 call option, which again are on the left side. So now here we have the bid and ask price. It's like basically the price that others are willing to sell for you. That doesn't really matter that much, and you can simply just buy the average of those two. So somewhere in the middle, right? Pretty simple. So to buy them, we simply click on that, and then it's gonna show you this right here. Of course, you select the buy button. I usually do limit. You could do market, but I prefer doing limit because you can set your own price. So basically it allows you to control what price you want to buy the option at. And you see how it says 0.95? So you have to multiply that by 100 to actually figure out how much that option costs. This one would cost $95 because 0.95 times 100 is 95, right? So whatever the option price says, you simply multiply it by 100, and that's how much it actually costs. And then for the contracts, it's simply how many you want. So if you buy one contract, you'll pay $99. If you buy two, you'll pay $188, and so on. And time and force, just keep that as day. It doesn't matter. You're good. So to buy, you simply click the buy button, you confirm it, and well, that's it. And it's the same thing for puts. Again, a put is betting that a stock is gonna go down. Click on the right side of this bar. This one is gonna cost $35 instead, and you're betting that a stock is gonna go down, right? So if a stock drops, if the SPY drops, then you make money. It's just as simple as that. So that's how you buy and sell on mobile. It's literally the exact same thing on desktop. I prefer using the desktop version, but it's up to you really. So right here we have the puts and the calls. Again, it's the same thing. You click one, you buy one, and that's all you need to know. But now we'll take a look how to paper trade. Because again, with that, you can literally trade with fake money, right? So you don't risk anything and you can learn. So let's go ahead and do that. This is going to be on mobile. So what you do is you simply go to menu and then you scroll right here until you see paper trade. And then you will see this screen right here. So it automatically gives you $1 million, which is unrealistic. So at the top right, you should click reset and then set an amount that you would actually trade with. For example, if you would trade with like, let's say $300, then just put in $300, right? So to buy and sell options while paper trading, you simply click options trade, look up whatever you want. So for example, the SPY, right? And you do the exact same thing as I mentioned previously. You buy and sell calls the exact same way. Okay, so here we go. We're up $1. And to sell this, you simply click on the thingy again and simply click sell to close, and it's going to be the exact same thing but simply on the sell side. So again, you set the limit price to whatever you want, say 0.75, because why not? I don't know, one contract because we only have one contract in here, and you simply click sell, and that's it. That's all you need. And of course, if you want to know when to buy and sell these stock options, well, I have a thing in my Discord where I literally tell every single trade I make. So whenever I buy and whenever I sell things, which is every day the market is open, you can literally follow those trades and, well, do it with me and make money with me. Like, I have people who just joined and they're already making crazy money. So go ahead, check that out. The Discord is down below in the description. And of course, if you have any more questions, just ask me, and peace out.